Welcome back to Eyes on Digital, reporting to you live from the top of the Hoff here in downtown Boise, Idaho. Today our topic is going to be talking about why you should hire a professional writer to handle all of your content needs. Writing is a crucial part of your business because these are the words that are being used to represent your company. With that being said, here are a few reasons why you should hire a professional writer. Number one, it helps build your SEO by using keywords specific to your company. Number two, you will have reliable content without grammatical errors, spelling errors, or structural errors. Number three, it saves you time and most importantly, energy. And finally, number four, professional writers know how to extend your reach to your audience. For more information on customized content, check out our website, getsocialized.com, or go check out all of our social media platforms. Have a great day.